Hi friends! Today I'm going to go over some techniques how to use acrylic markers and paint brushes to make smooth color transitions on canvas. Let's get started. We are going to use a darker pink color and we are going to dab the pink here. And now here's the trick. So I've got this brush and just have a cup of water and then just put the brush in and make sure to get rid of the excess water and then just blend the pink in. And here you can use a brush and brush on the tip of the pen. Okay, so this is the base color and then this is the darker pink. Now here, so this one is somewhere in between. Okay, so I'm gonna use at least 3 colors to kind of blend these 2 colors in. So here I'm going to use a wet brush and just brush some paint off the tip of the pen and there, go from here, the bottom to the top and blend like this. And sometimes we just have to mix the 2 colors together. Now while we wait for this peach to dry, let me show you how I color the leaves. So again, I use some different shades of green. So here, this is the outline, and then I'm going to fill the leaf with this as well. But then on some spots, I'm going to apply some darker green, and we can even add some blue. Okay. So here are the 5 colors, and I think I use like 3 of these on these leaves here, and let's see what we can create here. And see how this blue blends in. So here I'm gonna apply some blue at the tip of the leaf and use a smaller brush to blend that in. And that's it. That's how I use acrylic markers and paint brushes to paint these peaches on canvas. I hope you enjoyed watching my video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching and see you next time.